I'm Libitani Medisa.
Yo, my name is Brandon Mutali.
Hi, my name is Arno.
My name is Tombo.
And we are from St.
St.
Joseph's
Joseph's
College.
Okay, we joined the 2019 lyrics competition to grow in knowledge on IT. And today we were assembling a PC, which was, our task was to basically assemble a desktop system.
The reason we chose PC assembly is because we've had great past experience with this, and it's a really interesting subject to be in, because you learn a new thing every day, because there's always new parts included in a PC, and it's just a broad subject that it's nice to learn about.
Yeah, we really said most of it. So yeah, we had fun and we were able to socialize, we made new friends.
We learned a lot.